Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll discuss daily meditation's amazing benefits. Meditation has been around for thousands of years and is known for its ability to help us achieve a sense of peace and calm. But what happens if you make it a daily practice? Let's get started. Daily meditation can help you manage stress and anxiety by calming the mind and reducing negative thoughts. Regular meditation can help improve focus and concentration by training the mind to stay present and focused. Meditation helps increase self-awareness by allowing us to observe our thoughts, emotions, and patterns of behavior. This can lead to greater understanding and control of our thoughts and emotions. By reducing stress and anxiety, meditation can lead to improved sleep patterns and overall better quality of sleep. Meditation helps regulate emotions by teaching us how to identify and manage negative thoughts and emotions, leading to improved emotional regulation. Research has shown that daily meditation can help reduce symptoms of depression by increasing feelings of well-being and reducing negative thoughts. Regular meditation can improve overall well-being by reducing stress, improving focus and sleep, and regulating emotions. Now, here are some steps to help you get started with meditation. Choose a quiet and peaceful place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. You can use a cushion or blanket for support if needed. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Take deep breaths in and out, paying attention to the sensation of the breath moving in and out of your body. When thoughts arise, simply observe them and let them pass. Try not to engage with them or get caught up in them. Instead, bring your focus back to your breath. Start with a short meditation of 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the length of your meditation as you become more comfortable. End with gratitude. When the timer goes off, take a moment to reflect on your meditation. End the session with a feeling of gratitude and a sense of calm. The best time to meditate is a matter of personal preference. Some people prefer to meditate in the morning to start the day with a calm mind, while others find it more effective to meditate in the evening to wind down and release stress. Experiment to find what works best for you. There are many different types of meditation, each with its own unique focus and benefits. Here are a few popular types. Mindfulness meditation. This type of meditation involves focusing on the present moment and observing thoughts, emotions, and sensations without judgment. Loving-kindness meditation. This type of meditation involves directing feelings of love and kindness toward yourself and others. Body scan meditation. This type of meditation involves focusing on the sensations in your body and releasing tension. Transcendental meditation. This type of meditation involves using a mantra to quiet the mind and reach a state of deep relaxation. Chakra meditation. This type of meditation involves focusing on each of the 7 chakras in the body, to help balance energy and bring peace and well-being. Zen meditation. This type of meditation involves focusing on the breath and clearing the mind to reach a state of inner peace and enlightenment. Movement meditation. This meditation involves gentle movement and mindfulness, and is often used in practices like yoga or Tai Chi. These are just a few examples, and the type of meditation that works best for you will depend on your personal preferences and goals. Experiment with different types to find what resonates with you. When starting a regular meditation practice, it's important to consider the following factors. Consistency. Make meditation a daily habit and stick to it, even if it's only for a few minutes. Regular practice is more effective than occasional, longer sessions. Diet. Eating a healthy, balanced diet that is low in processed foods, caffeine, and sugar can help improve focus and energy levels during meditation. Hydration. Staying hydrated is important for overall health, including mental clarity. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for mental and physical health, and can also help improve focus during meditation. Exercise. Regular physical activity, such as yoga, can help reduce stress and improve focus, which can enhance your meditation practice. Environment. Create a peaceful, calming environment for your meditation practice. This can include reducing noise, reducing distractions, and lighting candles or incense. Mental preparation. Take a few minutes to mentally prepare for meditation. This can include deep breathing, stretching, or setting an intention for your practice. By keeping these factors in mind, you can help create the best conditions for successful and effective meditation practice. Thank you for watching this video. For more health tips, follow us, subscribe to us, and share.